Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Apple iPhone 11 Pro. I know it is 1 year old phone, but today we would like to unbox this and see what we got 1 year before and if it is still a perfect buy or not. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up. As you can see, this is a very rare color. This is the white one. It is very hard to find nowadays in the market because iPhone 11 Pro has stopped manufacturing this particular model. Not particular this way color, particularly the iPhone 11 lineup, Pro lineup is totally stopped manufacturing, so you won't get it. If you get it, do buy it. So as you can see, this is a 64 GB model, and as you can see here in here, it is showing me the cost of around 1,06,600 rupees, and it is a September 2020 imported, but when it was manufactured it is not mentioned here. So as you can see here, 11 Pro Silver 64 GB. It names as Silver Apple, but the color is totally white. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up. It is keep this packet aside, as you can see. So as you can see here, this is the phone here. The color is really nice. As you can see here, the finish is really nice. This is like a matte finish on it, and okay, near the Apple logo it is gloss finish on it, and there are 3 cameras here, microphone on the back, flash, and on the top the speakers on below here, lightning port here, the left side volume up and down, and mute button here, and on the right side the power button, SIM ejector port here, and on the top nothing else. As I can see here, this is made of stainless steel. The sides are really nice and it looks really nice, and if you hold it in the hand it feels good too. And if you have seen videos on my channel, my friends, I am not going to remove this sticker right now because I will be making another video of installing a Spigen tempered glass on this particular device. So it is better when you buy a new phone, you do not remove this because the glass is totally clean at this point, and when you tear it off, immediately you just need to do the sticker removal, dust removal sticker, and you can put the tempered glass on top of this display. So we will do that in another video. For the timing, I'm leaving this phone to switch on, and as you can see here, in the meantime, let's see what we get inside the box. So in here there are some paperwork, as you can see here. Hello, and SIM ejector tool here, some warranty informations, and 2 Apple stickers. Okay, inside the box we do get a big USB-C charger. As you can see here, this is let me check. I think this is a 20-watt charger. Let me check it out. Yes, as I see and confirm it, this is a 15-watt charger, and this is not a fast charger, as 11 Pro supports up to 30 watt of charger. Inside the box we do get the usual earpods. These are lightning port earpods. Keep this aside, and also a USB-C to lightning connector data cable. nothing else inside the box. In the meantime, the phone has already been booted up. Let's check those out and keep these things aside. So as you can see, it is the first boot, so we will go through here. And yeah, I'm thinking, my friends, I will make another video to how to set up an iPhone, and in there I will show you how to copy all the data, including your WhatsApp, from your old phone to this new phone. Okay, set up manually, continue. Let me skip these parts. So as you can see, after connecting to the Wi-Fi, now it is showing that it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So this happens, my friends, it takes few time. Let me skip this part. The next screen is this. We'll hit continue here. If you want to set up your Face ID, you can do it right now, but I will suggest you don't do it right now. You need to do this sorry my friends, as I have mentioned you earlier, I was just going through a cold and cough, so I coughed a bit. So you need to set this up later, so go with the later. I will suggest you don't set up any pins, because we have to back up from our old phone to the new phone. Don't use passcode. And yeah, there is option here. This is the first step, restore from iCloud backup. If you have iCloud backup switched on, then this is the option you have to go. Restore from PC or Mac, this is the option we need to go. Transfer directly from my phone. Yes, this is a new feature that has come up with the iOS 14 and all, but we don't need to do right now. We just need to see what device we get. Hit forget, set up later. Don't use Apple ID. So we will agree everything here. So let me tell you something about this phone. This phone has a OLED display as compared to our Samsung displays, and this has a 5.8 inch display as compared to our iPhone 12 Pro that has a 6.1 inch display. The bezels are slightly less in the new model, and these sides are curved. As you can see here, these are curves. Instead, the new 12 Pro has a flat sides. So my friends, I am showing you this phone right now after a year, because you have seen or you have heard a lot of users are complaining about the iPhone 12's LED displays problems, like greenish or yellowish or whitish color like that. This phone doesn't have any of that kind of problem. If you get this phone on the market, I will suggest you go and buy this, because this phone is really nice. It takes really nice photos. It does have all the good qualities except the 4K Dolby Vision and the whole sensor stabilizer that is only available on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's see out of the box what software we have here. We have 13.7, as this is a 1 year old model, so out of the box is 13.7. So we have to update it to the latest version before you need to transfer the data to this phone. That is a very important factor, my friends. So that's all, my friends. This was the video for this unboxing and first impression about this phone, and I will make another video about making how to transfer the data from the old phone to the new phone. And do subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Click the notification bell to get the video update about the tempered glass installation for this particular video. I'm repeating it, my friends. iPhone 11 Pro, 12 Pro and 10s, whatever the phone may be, the tempered glass installation procedure is same for all the phones from the product of Spigen. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Bye bye.